Alright, check it out, guys. The Ojibwa bird trap finally worked after like a month. Finally caught a gamble squirrel in it. It's still alive, it's perfectly healthy. I had an apple up here as additional bait to the actual snare stick here. There's the counterweight. See, it worked perfect. It's about twice the weight of the bird. And it was enough to keep him completely secured up there because he was flapping around making a lot of noise. But it's not going to rip his foot off or break his leg. So that's a great live game trap because it doesn't kill him, similar to the bird cage traps. I don't think he'll live long like that because my other video where I did a different type of bird snare with a deadfall weight, I found the bird hanging upside down and it was dead. So this one just probably hasn't been here that long. It's pretty cool. You see the hole right up there by its leg. There's the branch. It's just a broken branch. It's laying right there. I just bored a hole right through it. Set up the Ojibwa snare. When I came up to the set, I thought I heard rustling. Sure enough, I had something in it. So it's pretty exciting. I've now gotten every single primitive trap I've ever tried to actually work and catch target animals. So I'm pretty happy about that. I'll go ahead and get this dude dispatched, and that'll be dinner tonight. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, guys. Thanks for watching.